Hello everyone. Question is CloudKicks CK wants its sales team to use Sales Cloud to decrease its lead conversion time. The business analyst BA will analyze and break down CK's typical sales cycle. How can process mapping help the BA get started on this project? Option A, it can show the relationship between the steps and actions in the sales cycle to communicate and understand the current state and to identify areas for improvement. Option B, it can model changes in the current customer experience, analyze each change's potential for impact, and help visualize potential improvements in the sales cycle in advance of the solution design. Option C, it can display complex ideas in a consistent format, highlight blockers and impediments to help stakeholders quickly assess issues in the sales cycle and see the project timeline at a glance. Correct answer is option A. Question is one retail location of CloudKicks has been getting complaints from shoppers about being unable to find items in the store. The general manager has asked IT to configure tablets for the sales clerks so they can move freely around the store to assist customers. The IT team writes a functional requirement. Tablets running the Salesforce mobile app must allow users to access store inventory records, which include current item count and item location. Which user story should the business analyst write to describe the functional requirement? Option A, as a general manager, I want sales clerks to have tablets so they can help customers find items. Option B, as a sales clerk, I want to see items availability and locations to help customers find items. Option C, as a customer, I want sales clerks to have access to item availability to help them find items. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a business analyst BA at Northern Trial Outfitters is preparing for a user acceptance testing UAT session for a global sales cloud project. What should the BA do to engage the business most effectively during UAT? Option A, hand off ownership for writing, reviewing, and executing UAT scenarios, providing feedback and approval for release of business stakeholders. Option B, work with quality assurance analysts to collaborate in writing, reviewing, and executing UAT scenarios, providing feedback and approval for release. Option C, work with business stakeholders to collaborate in writing, reviewing, and executing UAT scenarios, providing feedback and approval for release. Correct answer is option B. Question is CloudKicks is planning to create a new Service Cloud console app for its services team to resolve issues with delayed shipments to customers. The business analyst BA wrote the user stories based on a written list of requirements provided by the manager of the service team. Upon stakeholder review with the entire service team, many of the user stories were rejected and the BA had to revise them. When the BA wrote the initial user stories, what was the likely cause of the issue? Option A, the user stories focused on well-defined personas. Option B, the project team failed to discuss the user stories as a group. Option C, the acceptance criteria of the user stories were too specific. Correct answer is option B. Question is, after the first round of user acceptance testing for a Sales Cloud project, the business analyst discovered that a high number of test cases failed. What is a possible reason why the test cases failed? Option A, missing test script details. Option B, missing test result details. Option C, missing test org access details. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.